Now, the extension, there are two things you can do. There's the extension that can warn you, hey, this part is kind of, you're not following the rules here and there and there. There are another kind of extension that will auto format everything for you on save. Yeah, so you're using the one that auto formats the bad code into good code. Yeah. I usually recommend beginners to not do that at first because you must learn how to write it by yourself and get into the habit. But as you become, more comfortable, I think you can use it and rely on that. Some people might get angry because this is complaining because I did this and that. So just make peace, auto format, save, and go on. Anyway, let's talk about the extension now that you mentioned it. Go here and you can search for extensions. I'm using Visual Studio Code, but whatever IDE you're using probably will have a similar thing, extension, plugin, whatever it is. You can look for ESLint, and Visual Studio Code has the one provided by Microsoft, and this is the one I recommend. You can click to install. I already have it, but I disabled it, so I'm going to enable it. And I'm going to close it. I think I have to reload, so if I Control Shift B reload window, I have to make the errors, right? So if I type a semicolon there, you see it's going to start complaining. Hey, extra semicolon. And it tells you what the rule name is. And what's nice, you can click this and it will open an external website that goes to the docs. So that's very convenient. Yeah, you can see under problems, if you open, usually control backtick to open this kind of thing. There's a problems tab that you can see if you want to evaluate if you have any ESLint problems here. Then click here and it goes to exactly to where it is. So we can fix it. Okay, I go click here, remove it. Click there, remove it. So that's very convenient. Let me see what he wrote. Yeah, beginner do have bad indentation, no semicolons, etc. Yeah, that's why I don't recommend doing all this of auto format and save when you're starting out. But as you get used to it, you can start using it. Okay, and yeah, so ESLint is pretty much that. There's no secret to it. Usually teams will meet together to determine what rules they're more interested in. Maybe if you come as a new teammate, you might not like certain rules and probably won't be able to change them, but just follow them and make peace. It's not worth fighting over that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Do you have any questions? Yes, there are more advanced linter rules that not only touch upon the style, but they look for certain things you can customize to your use case. Yeah, deprecations is very common. For example, a company has their own certain library, their design system, and they're always constantly releasing new versions, but they're breaking changes. So what they do is they write a linter that will tag all those breaking changes. And as the developers who are relying on that design system are using it, they will see, oh, this is now deprecated. They will see a message there every time they run their build runs ESLint or within their IDE if they have the extension to let them know of any problems. So it's very convenient for identify deprecation so you can change your code promptly.